그나도 생리냐 야파 아주 지 가서 우리 샴대 주야래야 아니 샘컴 리포트 따시면 생리부 그게 샤요 뭐보다 다 무용감 리포트에 퀀텀 피직스 자디 하나 퀀텀 피직스 제시 쉽더디 다 우메숑나네 송대부터 삽샤르샤 사들이 인도 가다 이니 안들디 안들 쉽게베다 송디 야고 쉽지도 류원 지신도 띠무군을 내주디 대신 유모 탐지제 띠무 좀be 좀버죠 나 땡진 저번 중하고 통로 띠무 중미죠 대신 배바 꾸기 땅도 통만 녀버 차스네 신 송구도가 자자가 가다 땡중 그 대코는 있어야지 왜 천리도 tumbo 다 쉬우지르샤 아니 파 드셔 제고서는 천리도 tumbo 나수 성수 자리에는 관점 피지식이 어디 가다 벽에 낭수 다도 주에 여 말했으나 타줘야 돼 어디 땡중 리베터네 셔야 다디 타르 모르원지기 여미게 타니리 모르원지니 셔야지 쉬우지 야오르샤 다디 셔에 거든디 samkang ripo de de yore ane tagiyan de shuyage ane lulu waji do timu kula na yu timu tenzin ki nyamu tamje ge zawa cha yong yore oda de timu tenzin ki shenyu sun sun ya de la tenjung ge tekona ni sa de ki de le yong yore shubjure shatiri.
And so of course, with regard to the science, the modern science, especially, particularly that of psychology, and science has not developed, and modern science has not developed as much as Buddhist science of understanding emotions, mind, and so forth. And therefore, there's lots of things that we can actually, from the Buddhist tradition, can contribute to the science, modern scientists, in understanding the nature or the workings and the system of mind and emotions. And then with regard to physics as well, particularly quantum physics, where they say that things have no objective existence as such, the Madhyamaka understanding of how everything is interdependent has a deep impact it can have deep impact on understanding the nature of phenomena for the scientists as well. And of course, when we explain the nature of interdependent nature of things, I mean, we can explain it through reason, not just resorting to quotations as such, but reasoning out, and therefore we can make people understand what Buddhist philosophy. What does it mean when we say things are interdependent? I mean, thoroughly we can explain them to others, and then internally we can apply it in our meditation in order to the purpose of understanding dependent origination is in order to counter our deep-seated grasping at true existence and objective existence of things, and therefore from that point of view we can contribute to the understanding of science as well. And the purpose of meditation on dependent origination is to counter our ignorance, the deep-seated ignorance of which grasps at some kind of independent objective existence in things. And so in this way, both in a way we can say externally we can explain it to others thoroughly through reason, and internally we can apply it to counter this deep distorted view of holding on to some kind of true existence in things.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Your Holiness.